to finish your pyramid during your life, or it will be looks like that. That's why the pyramid looks like a hill or a mountain. But this one from inside, it's the most beautiful pyramid that you can see ever.
This one?
This one.
That
You will
one right
see,
there.
yeah, how is the walls inside? It's painted. And this is the owner of that tomb. His name Ka Jimmy. This guy. That's the statue of him. You see, he wear a triangle and sandal. That means he's an important guy. Because when we go outside, I will show you how to know the difference.
Okay. Anubis.
From here, it will be more interesting because it's painted.
Yeah, it's a painting.
The red color. Old Kingdom means only the red color they can use. When you go south to Aswan and Luxor, it's more colorful because they are more.
It's an afro.
Yes, exactly. You can see that from the hair.
Yeah, afro.
Entrance. The treasure is behind that gate. So they try to get inside like that,
For thieves.
but they will fall down and they will stuck down forever. Nothing is here. This level is just like a reception. Everything is underground. The money, the treasure, and everything. Okay?
Okay.
So, it's still, you can see the food, like fish, animals, birds, as a sacrifice or as a normal food for that king or that important guy to eat. Okay? But you will see some symbols, like the stars.
Dreads. Wow, man.
Oh, someone put his sunglasses down there.
Somebody fell down there?
They try to get inside from that gate in the other room, thinking it's the main entrance, but actually it's a false or fake entrance. And they fall down and they stuck down forever. When they check them bodies for the bones, it was for strange people. That means some people, they was trying to attack that tomb and they stuck down forever. So they can see it, they can't touch it, but they can do nothing. And later on, they was using that pieces to just go up from down there.
Wow.
So it was like
They
another
keep
level.
that.